We'll guide you through how to explore career opportunities at Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and type in dropbox.com, then hit enter. Once the homepage loads, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. You'll find a section called Company in the footer. Under this section, click on Jobs. This will take you to the Dropbox Careers page where you can explore all the open positions. You'll see options to filter jobs by category such as engineering, design, or marketing. You can also filter by location if you're looking to work in a specific area, or choose remote if you prefer working from home. If you're interested in a particular role, click on the job title to read more about the responsibilities and qualifications required. This is a great way to see if your skills and experience align with what Dropbox is looking for. Once you've found a job that interests you, click the Apply button. You'll be prompted to either upload your resume or apply using your LinkedIn profile. Make sure you have your resume updated and ready to go. You might also be asked to fill out some additional questions or provide a cover letter, so take your time to ensure everything is complete and accurate. Applying for a job at Dropbox is a straightforward process, and exploring the variety of roles can give you a good sense of the company culture and opportunities for growth. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.